Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're gonna pop the hood over near the footrest here. There's a lever. Just pull that out. To release the hood, there's a little lever right here. Pull that up. And then the prop rod is right here. Pull that up. Insert that right there. We have these retainers over this cover that we have to take off. So we have 7 push retainers that we need to take off up here on this cover. You can use a flat blade screwdriver and just pop the center up a little bit and then pop these out. Pull that last clip out and we can pull this cover off, slide it off the release for the hood. There's 2 bolts right here. There's one here and then there's another one on the other side. We're going to take these out with a 10mm socket, an extension, and a ratchet. Okay, so the nut on the other side, it is like a J nut. It's held in. It just keeps spinning, so what I'm going to use is some rust penetrant, and I'm just going to soak down the nut just to alleviate some of the rust and be able to loosen up that bolt. I'll let it sit for a little while. I'll do the same for the other side. We can take these push clips out. There's 4 of them. Just use a straight screwdriver, get in behind, pry it out. Pull the retainer out. I can also use some pliers that are made for removing clips. Just pull them out like that. So take these bolts out, just like that. Do the same to the other side. All right, so we have a Phillips head screw here, and there's also one up here. I'm going to use a stubby Phillips head screwdriver. You could turn the wheel side to side to get more room in here. So we'll just take this one out. We'll take this one out as well. Do the same on the other side. There's a push retainer right here. You can use a straight blade screwdriver. Pull this retainer out. This is the same as the other side. Pull this retainer out. I'm going to grab the side of the bumper like this and just pull it out. There's clips you're going to just release. Just like that. Clips in. Just like that. It's going to be the same on the other side. That. You can grab the bumper and pull it forward. All right, we're going to pull these push clips off right here. Just use a straight blade screwdriver or a trim tool. Pull those clips off. There's 4 of them. Once we pull those off, We'll take our straight blade screwdriver. There's some retainers right here. While pulling on the front of the grill, you're going to push down on these little clips. Hold the front grill in. Just like that. Separate the upper grill. We want to reinstall the grill. Line these tabs up right here. They're going to go in those slots in the front bumper. Just like that. And you can lock them in. Right, now we're going to reinstall these push clips. Line those up, push it down. There's 4 of those. Just like that. Just line it up. This bumper is pretty light. You could have a helper help you do this, or you can try to do it yourself. All right, so those are going to line up there. Push in. Line this side up, just like that. Just push it in. Same with this side. All right, that's lined up like that. So we have a push retainer that goes straight up here. Lock that in. It's going to be the same on the other side. And we have 2 Phillips head screws that we're going to screw in here. And then 1 down here. Snug that up. And that's going to be the same on the other side. We're going to install these push clips. There's 4 of them underneath here. We have this 10mm bolt. It's going to go right here. And we have the same for the other side. We'll tighten this bolt down. Just snug it. And same with this side. So put this cover on. We have all these push retainers that go in. Oops. Push those down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.